Okay, what we're going to do here, put it in ball joint and a 98 Ranger. They're pretty much all the same. Now I know I got it all tore apart, but I'm going to try and show you how easy it is. This just comes in here like this, and got a big snap ring there. Take the snap ring off. Take the snap ring out of there. Hit it with a hammer about 5-10 times. And bam, it's out. You already got your rotor off. 2 bolts. Tie rod end, and then your spindle. You can beat on the side of this to get your threaded out of here. Just beat right there about 10 times and it'll pop out. Same way with this tie rod end, it'll pop out. And you got to take this loose up here, which is only 1 bolt, which I'll show you on the return when I put it back together. And put this ball joint back in, the new one, you're going to have to use probably this tool, which you can borrow from Advanced Auto, and use it and bring it back. Don't cost you nothing. Got one backing plate with 3 5/16 bolts. For the most part, you need a 15mm socket, and we're going to hook up this press and see if we can get it pressed back in.